Hi everyone, it's a beautiful morning. This is Professor Vipul and I'm super excited today. It's because the institute has purchased the audio equipment that I had recommended. Now this is professional audio equipment. This means we are now capable of recording music, lectures, podcasts professionally. We'll quickly go and check out the stuff. We'll unbox it and we'll also set it up. First of all, we have a pair of HS7 Yamaha studio monitors and we are going to unbox it. First, we get the power cord. We have an instruction manual. And then finally, we have the speaker itself. This is our brand new Yamaha HS7 studio monitor. This is the back side. This is the front side.